Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so fixes won't be wasted. Sign into settings with the same Apple ID used for messages. Make sure you see it at the top of settings. Next, confirm a working internet connection by loading a web page. Poor Wi-Fi causes failures. Once done, set date and time to automatic. This prevents server mismatches. Finally, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radios. This often clears transient networking glitches quickly. You now address the account and messaging layer. In Settings Messages, toggle iMessage off then on to force re-registration with Apple's servers. Wait about 10 seconds between toggles. Make sure your send and receive list contains the correct phone number and email addresses. Remove duplicates that might conflict. If issues persist, sign out of Messages and FaceTime, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Make sure to restart your iPad after re-authenticating so the system fully refreshes. You're at the final remediation stage. Proceed carefully. If iMessage still won't send, perform Settings General Transfer or reset iPad Reset Network Settings. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPNs, so be prepared to re-enter them. Make sure your iPad runs the latest iPad OS. Updates often include fixes for messages. If none of these work, gather timestamps and a brief description. Then contact Apple support so they can inspect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.